Acceleris provides the information on where the workflow of the transaction is going to. It provides the actual previous application status, the current application status, the next application status. It provides the groups that have permissions for those, and also it provides the whole workflow. For instance, if we go to another of the processes, it will automatically update where the new application status is. Acceleris provides information on how the workflow on the transaction is going. If the name of the assigned to person who is working on shows in red, it means that is on delay. By putting the cursor over the name, it shows the telephone number of that credit analyst. At the same time, if it's required to send an email, just press by email and it generates an email with already the address of the person working on the transaction, and in the subject of the email it shows the client and the application number. Acceleris flexible components allowed for both a transaction in need of detailed analysis and approval, control, governance, as well as other type of transaction oriented to efficiency and profitability. Needless to say that it also allows anything in between these two extremes or even on the side of these two cases. An example of a non too sophisticated transaction could be this one, where we have only a few tabs for the evaluation, what's the opinion of the commercial banker, some financial inputs, some simplified qualitative adjustments with criteria embedded into the questionnaire to facilitate the decisioning by the experts, some simplified environmental and social analysis. Then it would go into the compliance that they can check or uncheck any of the requirements with embedded also help into the questionnaire, and the final recommendation of the committee. Acceleris also provides a workspace per analyst. It provides first some efficiency statistics related to the work being done, work in progress, SLA, as compared to the rest of the team. Then it provides a summary of the different transactions that are being worked on, such as the rating alert or the pricing in progress, the rating in progress, or the application in progress, that summarizes the work of the analyst. Acceleris allows for any number of user-defined dashboards. Here we have one about portfolio composition, but we could create any with any name, credit risk parameters, staff performance, rating process quality, anything that corresponds to some graphics. This one can accept as many graphics as the. Also, we have here the credit risk parameters report. We could go to other performance, staff performance. It also permits a report in the format of pivot table that allows for any degree of drill down. For instance, we're going to see here by a credit officer. We put it here and it classifies breakdown by credit officer, but we could even break it down by business partner, and we will create the corresponding report. It allows you to calculate any metric. For instance, here we have the actual days per analyst. We can change to the average, so we understand what's the average SLA, or we can do any other transaction, maybe break it by product, and we can have here the breakdown by product, or change the type of representation from this type of matrix to bar chart, etc.